Hi friends, in the last session we have started data types concept. So in that data types we observed total 15 data types, and for the first 5 are fundamental data types. Those are int, float, complex, boolean and string. Coming to collection related data types means bytes, byte array, string, tuple, set, dict, frozen set, right? And there is one more special data type is there, none. Okay, we have completed for the first four data types, that is int, float, complex and boolean. Now today we are going to talk about string concept. Okay, okay, now we are going to start about string concept. Next we are going to discuss about collection related data types. Okay, now observe here, fifth data type is a string data type. Okay, see, string data type is nothing but if you want to represent single or double characters, I mean if you are representing a characters within single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes is nothing but string. Okay, if we are representing characters within single or double or triple quotes, then we can say then we can say string. So if we are representing characters within singular double quotes or triple quotes, then we can say that it is string data type. Okay, string data type. Okay, that we can say it as string data type. So observe here, I'm taking normal command Python shell. S is equal to Sai Kumar. Okay, I'm taking in the single quotes. Now I'm taking in the double quotes. A is equal to, I'm taking triple quotes. Okay, okay, in this way also it is possible, but if you are representing in triple quotes, it's going to give in the single quotes. But if you are considering triple double quotes, it is also fine. Observe. Okay, so if you are representing the characters within single or double quotes or triple quotes is nothing but a string. Okay, for string I'm representing here triple quotes, right? So this is, we can say that as multi-line string literals. Okay. Suppose if you are considering in this way, S is equal to double quotes psi, next, see, anyway it is not accepting. So I'm trying to give in the next line. If you observe here, S is equal to psi. I want to increase the font size. Okay. Anyway, let me write here. See, S is equal to psi. In the next line, I am writing Kumar. Okay. If I'm going to print the S, I'm going to print S. Observe the output. Then test.py. If you observe here, unterminated string literals. Okay, it is saying that unterminated string literals. Okay, for triple quote, if you want to represent this type of strings in Python, we have to go for triple quotes, not double quotes. See, if you are taking in this way, it will work. See, triple quotes. Okay, observe here. Are you observing? See, we can represent multi-line string literals by using triple quotes only. By using double quotes and single quotes, it is not going to possible. It is not possible. Okay, if you take triple double quotes also, it will allow. Okay, it's not going to give any error. Okay, next. I'm going to discuss this topic total in future. Just I'm giving here for the awareness of string data type. Okay, next. So up to now we have discussed that fundamental data types, right? Fundamental data types. So what are the fundamental data types? Int, float, complex, boolean, and string, right? So if you are trying to print the information in this way, it is going to give error. Okay, anyway, it is okay. Here s is equal to Sai Kumar. It will give error for multi-line string literals. Multi-line string literals. For multi-line string literals, we have to go for triple quotes. Next, next concept is bytes, right? So bytes is nothing but to represent a group of byte numbers just like an array. Okay, bytes topic is nothing but bytes data type. Bytes data type is nothing but to represent a group of byte numbers just like an array. To represent a group of byte numbers just like an array. Okay, if you suppose observe this example, I'm taking x is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay, I'm taking here b is equals to bytes of x. Okay, b is equal to bytes of x. Now I'm printing what is the type of b. Okay, what is type of b? See, if you observe, I'm going to ask, now I'm asking what is the type of b. Okay, observe here, it is going to give bytes data type. Okay, the only allowed values for the bytes data type is 0 to 256. Okay, by mistake, if you are trying to provide any other value, we are going to get error. Okay, clear, right? Next, only allowed values for the bytes data type is allowed values for the byte data type is 0 to 256. Allowed values for the byte data type is 0 to 256. Once we create byte data type value, we cannot change its value. Otherwise, we will get type error. Okay. Once we created byte data type, suppose observe here already I have taken bytes, right? So if you are trying to change the value of b of 0, okay, b of 0 b of 0 is equal to some 100 if you are trying to take, okay. If you are taking this one, object assignment is not possible. When object assignment is not possible, it is going to give type error. Observe the output once. Okay, type error, bytes object does not support item assignment. Clear, right? Okay, next. For allowed values will be 0 to 256, but if you are taking other, if we are trying to take other means it is going to give going to give error. Okay, next. Now next coming to byte array data type. Okay, byte data type. Okay, okay. Byte array is combined. Byte array data type. Byte array is exactly same as bytes only, but except that its elements can be modified. Here I forgot one point. Here elements are not modifiable. Modifiable. Okay, here the elements are not modifiable. Where bytes array elements are modifiable. Exactly same as exactly same as bytes, but here elements exactly same as bytes, but here elements can be modifiable. Okay, how we can modifiable? Observe the example. See, I'm taking same example, but here just I'm trying to convert to byte array. So here bytes have taken. Now I'm taking byte array. Okay, byte array. Okay. Now if you ask on this what is your type, okay, it's going to say byte array. Okay. Next, if you are trying to assign the some value, it's going to print b of 0. So after changing the value, print b. Okay, before and after observe, print b. After changing the value, after assignment, after assignment, now observe the output clearly. If you observe here, bytes data type. Here, if you observe here, byte array, okay, directly I am printing, okay, directly I am printing the object. So that's why it is giving byte array. Okay, after assignment also it is giving the same thing. So I have what I have to do, I have to go for the for loop. Okay, how to use the for loop means for I in B. Okay, for I in B, print of I. For I in B, print of I. Next here, same for I in B, print of I. See here, observe the output now. First is byte array data type and we are printing the value. If you observe here after assignment, B of 0 got changed. So now 20, 30, 40 are same, but 10 is replaced. So B of 0 got replaced with the 100. Clear, right? Next, what is our next data type? Byte, sorry, list, right? Okay, list data type. If we want to represent a group of objects as a single entity where duplicates are allowed, insertion order is preserved, and slicing is applicable, then we should go for list. Okay, don't get confused. I will explain one more time. List means if we want to represent a group of objects as a single entity where duplicates are allowed, insertion order is preserved, and indexing and slicing are allowed, then we should go for list data type. Okay, list we can represent in square brackets. Okay, first we can represent in square brackets. Okay, we can represent square brackets. Now observe here, I'm going to write every point. First what I have to do here is, if you want to represent a group of objects as a single entity, okay, I'm going to write for the list first time. A is equal to, in the square brackets I'm taking group of objects as a single entity. Okay, 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Okay, group of objects as a single entity where duplicates are allowed. Okay, I'm taking 10, 30 comma 40, duplicates are allowed, and the insertion order is preserved, then we should go for list. So one concept I have explained here only, group of objects as a single entity where duplicates are allowed. Okay, 2 points. So let me confirm with the other 2 points by executing this one. Okay, observe here, insertion order is preserved. If you observe here, in which way I have given the elements, in the same way elements are came, and duplicates are also available. Okay, and if you are going to ask some, what is print a of 0? Okay, what is a of 0 means for the first element. Okay, for the, what is the first element? A of 0 means 10. If you are going to ask a of something 8, okay, if the element is available it is going to give, if it is not available it is going to give error. Okay, it is saying that index error, list index out of range. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 elements are there, so that's why I'm asking 8. Okay, if you ask 7, okay, 40 means the last element. Okay, how can you say 40 is the last element? There are two times means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, if you ask in the reverse, okay, a of minus 1, a of minus 1. Okay, if you ask a of minus 1, positive means from left to right, negative means reverse direction. Okay, negative means reverse direction. So if you are going to ask minus 1, we are going to start from here. Okay, observe, in both cases we are going to get 40 because 7 is the from starting to left, minus 1 is the starting to right to left. Okay, if I'm going to ask minus 2, we are going to get this one. Okay, observe, getting 30. If I want 50 means minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. If I give minus 4, it's going to give 50. Okay, if you want from left to right, 1 2 3 4 5. If you are going to ask here 5, now we are going to get same in both cases. Okay, here it is crossed actually. 0 1 2 3 4, you have to give 4. Okay, In both cases, now we are going to get 50. From starting to left to right and right to left, we are getting the same based on the index what you are giving. Clear, right? So remaining data types we are going to consider in the next session. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. Thanks